Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how you can attach a metal clasp to a jump ring. Here I have a bracelet, and very frequently you'll find maybe your bracelet falls apart or maybe you're making a new one and you need to attach a clasp to a jump ring. So you're going to need flat nose pliers, needle nose pliers, and it's helpful to have jump ring pliers. They have a special groove in them, so the jump ring sits inside there as you close it gently and doesn't slide out like it will with the others. If you don't have that, you can use these. So here I have a bracelet, and the clasp needs to be attached using this jump ring. So I'm going to take the jump ring with my needle nose pliers and I'm going to hook it onto the end of the bracelet. And then I'm going to hook the clasp. It's a little lobster claw clasp. I'm going to hook that on to this jump ring. Now I just need to close the jump ring, and I'm going to go in with my jump ring pliers for that. Sometimes you need to move it around a little bit and manipulate it to get the ends perfectly together, but not only does that make it look neater, but it will ensure that the bracelet won't fall apart so quickly this time. Because a lot of times when you buy stuff, you'll notice that the rings are enclosed properly, and that's why things end up getting lost. And that is how you can attach a clasp to a jump ring. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.